Want to start your own mechanic shop? Whether you want to work on cars at a customer's location or open your own full-service garage, with the right planning, you can build a profitable business that protects your work, your tools, and your future. First, decide what kind of shop you want to run. A mobile repair service where you travel to customers with a basic tool setup, or a traditional repair shop with dedicated bays, lifts, and full diagnostic equipment. Startup costs can vary widely, but a small mechanic shop can cost anywhere from $50,000 to over $300,000, while mobile mechanics may only spend between $5,000 and $20,000. Once you choose your model, you'll need to register your business and follow local regulations. You may also need to meet continuing education requirements, reinsurance agreements, and more. Specializing in a niche can help a new mechanic shop grow faster. Whether it's diesel repair, hybrid and EV service, or fleet maintenance, finding your specialty helps customers know exactly why they should choose you. Repair shops work with heavy equipment, hazardous fluids, and customer property, so insurance is essential. Most auto garages need general liability, garage liability, garage keepers, commercial property, workers' comp, and commercial auto coverage. A well-run mechanic shop can be highly profitable. Labor margins are strong, maintenance demand is stable, and loyal customers can keep your bays full year-round. And when you're ready to protect your business, Insureon makes it easy. We help small business owners get the right, most affordable coverage in minutes so you can focus on building an auto shop that you're proud of. Get free quotes for your automotive repair business with Insureon today. Click the link to get started.